this video is about the 24-hour clock, which is going to help you with a part of the maths part of your home learning pack. Here's an analog clock. How many hours are on this analog clock? There are 12. How many hours in one full day? There are 24 hours. So that means that the hour hand, the shorter hand, goes round the clock twice in one full day. It goes from AM, from midnight to midday, and then for PM goes from midday right back round to midnight. So the AM is 12 hours long and PM is 12 hours long. With digital clocks, these ones are all in 24-hour. You can tell because they have two numbers for the hour and obviously two numbers for the minutes. For example, 0730, we know this is 24-hour because it's got the 07. If it was a 12-hour digital time, it would be 7:30 or it would be 8:20. But we know it's 24-hour because it's 08:20. So we have HH, hour, minute. The 24-hour clock starts at midnight, and the next hour after midnight is 1 o'clock AM in the morning. Hopefully when all of you are all asleep. So the digital time would be 01.00. Now remember, for 24-hour clock you need to have a 2-digit number for your hour time and obviously your 2-digit number for your minute time. So this is 1 o'clock, so you must put a 0 there. So 01.00, and that's 1 AM in the morning. Two o'clock in the morning, so this is AM in the morning, still when you're fast asleep. 2 o'clock in the morning, and the digital time is going to be the 24-hour digital time is going to be 0200. Very important to have that 0 at the beginning of the time. 3 o'clock in the morning, still fast asleep, hopefully. And the 24-hour digital time is 0300. Very important we have that first 0. And then it goes on 4 o'clock in the morning, and that's 0400. 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's 0500. 6 o'clock in the morning, when my alarm goes off, and that's 24-hour digital time is 0600. 7 o'clock in the morning, and the 24-hour time is 0700. 8 o'clock in the morning, 0800. 9 o'clock, when school starts, that is 9 o'clock in the morning, and that's 0900. 10 o'clock in the morning is 1000. 11 o'clock in the morning is 11.00. Okay, now we come to midday when we're having lunch. Now this is PM, and it's 12 o'clock midday, and this is very special time because it's the only PM time that we don't change the hour time when it comes to the 24-hour clock. So the 24-hour digital time is 12:00. Now our next time is 1 o'clock. But because we've already gone round once, we are now going to go around a second time. But instead of going 1 o'clock again, it's going to then go from 12 until 13. So 1 o'clock in the afternoon, come back after lunch, start afternoon lessons, and it is 13:00. That's 1 o'clock. So we've started going around again, but instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we've gone to 13. So can you think what 2 o'clock in the afternoon is going to be? That's it, 14:00. And then it's going to go round again, so 15:00, 16:00, which is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What do we think 5 o'clock in the afternoon is going to be? 17:00. 6 o'clock in the evening is going to be 18:00. 7 o'clock in the evening is going to be 19:00, 24-hour time. 8 o'clock in the evening, probably bedtime for all of you lots, is 20:00. 9 o'clock in the evening, the 24-hour time is going to be 21:00. 10 o'clock is going to be 22:00. 23:00 is going to be 11 o'clock at night. Then the next hour is going to be midnight. It's not going to be 24-hour because we then start at 0. The 24, can you have a guess? What is midnight as a 24-hour time? It's 00:00. 4 o'clock. Is that AM in the morning or 4 o'clock in the afternoon? PM. Let's have a look. It's 4 AM. Now to convert this to 24-hour, because we know it's AM, we can use that 4 and not have to change the number. The only number we need to change is the fact that we need to put the 0 in front, because we need to have those 2 digits for our hour time. So 4 AM in the morning is 04:00. This is 4 PM. And as it's PM, we know we need to change the hour into 24-hour format. So I'll show you a little trick. So you take the hour, 4, and because we know it's already gone around 12 hours, we just need to take our 4 and we need to add 12. So we know 4 add 12 equals 16. So 16 is our 24-hour hour. So our 24-hour digital time will be 16:00. Now this is 12 o'clock. Is it 12 o'clock midnight or 12 o'clock midday? Let's have a look. It's 12 PM, which is midday. So right in the middle of the day when we're having lunch. So this is slightly different from the normal AM and PM hour rules. So midday is 12:00. That is the 24-hour digital time. 12:00. This is 12 o'clock AM. 12 AM is midnight. And once again, it doesn't follow the AM PM rules for making a 24-hour. This is special because remember, the whole day starts, the whole 24-hour day starts at midnight. So it starts at 00:00. That's the special time for midnight. Right, this time is 8:15 AM in the morning. So we know we don't need to change the hour time because of for the 24-hour clock. We just need to add that extra 0. So remember, we need to have 2 digits for our hour So the digital time is going to be 24-hour digital time is going to be 08:15. Now 8:15 p.m. Now when we know it's p.m., we need to change our hour time. We just need to add 12. So 8 add 12 equals 20. So we know that the new 24-hour hour is 20. So the 24-hour time is 20:15. Try this one, 1:55 p.m. So we know it's in the afternoon. So when we know it's p.m., we know we need to add 12. So what do we think the 24-hour time is going to be? 1 add 12 equals 13. So the hour is going to be 13, and the 24-hour time is going to be 13:55. Right, this time is 5:05. We need to add 5 and 12 to make our 24-hour hour, which is 17. So our 24-hour hour time is 17:05.